Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1. On the Register screen, tap the cart icon at the bottom right to open the itemized receipt. Review the items currently assigned to each guest. To move an order from one guest to another, tap the three-dot menu icon next to Guest 2. Select Move Items from the pop-up menu. Check the box next to Select All to instantly highlight the items currently under Guest 2. Under the Then, tap the guest you want to move the items to section. Tap the Confirm Move button at the bottom right. The cart will update, showing that the taco trio previously under Guest 2 is now listed under Guest 1. Scroll down the cart to view the remaining guests, then tap the three-dot menu icon next to Guest 4. Select Move Items from the pop-up menu. Check the Select All box to grab Guest 4's tortilla soup, then select Guest 3 as the new destination. Tap the Confirm Move button. The cart updates again, moving the soup and leaving Guest 4's section empty. Once all items are organized to the guest's liking, tap the Save button at the bottom left. An order saved notification will appear, and the screen will return to the Tables view.